This word can mean noun, a future, and also an action word same time. Let's see. In Master Azerbaijani Word of today, we have gələcək. Gələcək. Gələcək is future, or will come, or upcoming. Interested? Let's see. Here are the phrases. Bright future, will come soon. Upcoming event. Let's see. Parlaq GƏLƏCEK, bright, parlaq. Tezliklə gələcək, someone basically will come soon. See, I didn't add he or she, just someone will come soon. Tezliklə gələcək. Upcoming event, gələcək tədbir. It will happen at some time, upcoming. Tədbir is an event. Let's take a look at, some of those closer in some sentences. Watch. Parlaq gələcək üçün çox çalışırıq. We work very hard for a bright future, don't we all? Let's break it apart. Parlaq gələcək üçün, for a bright future. Çox çalışırıq. We work very hard. Çalışırıq. Work hard. Very hard. Çox. Üçün, for. So, we work very hard for a bright future. Parlaq gələcək üçün çox çalışırıq. Another one. O, tezliklə gələcək və biz yolumuza davam edəcəyik. Something happened and I will tell you. He or she will come soon and will continue to be on our way. Let's break it apart and I'll tell you what happened. O, he or she, tezliklə gələcək, will come soon, gələcək, you see? Və biz, and we, yolumuza davam edəcəyik, and will continue to be on our way. Yol, way, yolumuz, our way, yolumuza, to our way. Davam edəcəyik, we will continue. See what happened? So I have said it multiple times. If you don't remember, here it is. Anytime you see the word ends with ki, it turns into y in spoken language. So, o tezliklə gələcək, or o tezliklə gələcək, see, ki turned. Və biz yolumuza davam edəcəyik. See, edəcəyik. It's not easy, right? That's why it doesn't turn into like that. It turns into edəcəyik, edəcəyik, edəcəyik. All right? That was today's word, gələcək, and I used it in Azerbaijani sentences, but I have another way of using them. Gələcək is closer than you think, much more closer. Thanks so much for watching. Come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, check masterazerbaijan.com, where I post every 10 days on how to learn Azerbaijani even better, faster, with more tips and tricks. I'll see you tomorrow for a new word. Cheers.